Okay, thank you all. Welcome to this next session of the Tech Blick event on health tech. And first up in this session, we have Michael Schneider, who's the CEO from Born GmbH, and he's going to be talking about smart textiles, which I think are probably going to be one of the key technologies for wearables and remote sensing and other enabling technologies for health tech going forward. So I'm very excited to learn more about this. So Michael, please take it away.
Thank you very much and welcome everybody. My name is Michael Schneider. Before I start my presentation, I would start with a little disclaimer. I have to say we love knitting because we are a knitting company, and therefore everything that I say is based from the perspective of a knitting manufacturer in Europe. My name is Michael Schneider. I'm the CEO of Born. As already mentioned, we are a knitting company. I just want to give you a little overview of our structure. Our headquarters is based in Germany, where we have a production and also the development. We also run our own production site in Poland. And in addition to Born, we have a dedicated development center for smart and e-textiles, which is the Smart Textiles Hub. At Born, we are roughly 85 employees. We have 50 knitting machines and a full integrated production line, as we are not only manufacturing and smart textiles, but also, let's say, regular textiles, technical textiles, also in the medical environment, like medical braces, for example. We have all the production lines in place that you need to manufacture the entire line down. We are certified according to ISO 9001. We also audited from a couple of our customers as a critical supplier according to ISO 3485. On the road for 2025, we have the certification according to 3485 for our company as well, in order to be a better supplier and a better partner for our customers in the medical field. Today, I want to introduce what we in textile we call it a second skin technology, and why we do that, and which are the advantages of the second skin technology, especially when it comes to medical, for the use case of stimulation and sensing biofeedback. A little explanation around what second skin exactly means. All of us know clothes very well. We all wear clothes every day, so textiles has a very high acceptance from a user's perspective, which we can use to our advantage. And second skin means that we have garments that are close to the body, and comes with a couple of advantages that we would like to introduce during the talk now. So we start with the very close-fitting clothing. That means we use a compression material, very high elastic materials, not necessarily compression class 1, for example, but close to, which means a very high compression of the sensors or the stimulation electrodes to the skin. We can use a lot of different materials. We can create different patterns. At the end of the day, in knitting, we are creating our own fabric that we need. We put those zones and materials where we need them. So we create fabrics in shape, and ideal-wise, they come in the shape that we need. For example, if we need to make a t-shirt or a sweater, it comes in the shape of a sweater. So we don't use like long fabrics that we cut and sew, but everything is manufactured exactly in the shape that we need. Why we are doing that and what is the potential? For me, there are really two very important things to stress out. One is the fact that we can really smoothly integrate sensors and also rigid elements in the manufacturing process. I will show that later how that works. And the second thing is that we can use also different types of sensors and materials in the same garment on a very easy level, on the very high level of optimization, which is for us as a manufacturer in Europe is very important. in order to reduce the costs of